Hi everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock any phone from any carrier through a simple and free method. Follow my exact steps from this video, and after that you will have a phone that will work with any SIM card from any carrier in the world. Before we begin, I'd like to mention a small disclaimer. The tool I'm about to show you is 100% legal, safe, and free. We won't use any type of hacking or illegal bypassing method to unlock your phone. Moreover, the phone will not suffer any harm or damage in any way. This tool will also help you get your phone unlocked, regardless of whether it's currently under an active contract with your service provider. With that said, let's start. So grab your phone and insert an unsupported SIM card. That means a SIM card from a carrier other than your original one. After powering up your phone, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. Once you enter the code, your phone will be fully unlocked and ready to use with any carrier. I will show you how to obtain this unlock code, absolutely free. And if you have a carrier app installed on your phone, unlocking it will be even easier. You won't need an unlock code. Instead, you'll simply wait for a message in the carrier app indicating that your phone has been unlocked. Here's the best part. You can unlock your phone for free on this website. Just follow the instructions here, and you'll unlock your phone for free using a simple method. Thanks for being with us. Until next time, take care.